Go ahead, see if you can get started. Oh, we have low manifold back here. Okay. Let's open up the exhaust and see what happens. Okay, we got the exhaust opened up. Go ahead and crank it up. No, they're hooked up again. Oh, look at that. Almost 20 inches now. Almost 21 inches. That's much happier. A little noisy, but run. Go ahead and flip the throttle once. Okay, that's great. Thanks, shut her down.
Yeah, we didn't have a place to tap in on the exhaust.